And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, undoubtedly Ibrahim was a chief and obedient to Allah. Surah Nahl verse 120. And He Jalla Jalaluhu says, and undoubtedly Ibrahim is extremely tender-hearted and forbearing. Surah Tawbah verse 114. Abu Maisra says, Awwahun means Ar-Rahim in Ethiopian language. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you will be assembled on the day of resurrection, barefooted, in nude and uncircumcised. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited these words, as we made it first, we shall restore it. This is a promise on us. We shall necessarily do it. Surah An-Nabiyah verse 104. And the first one who will be clothed on the day of resurrection will be Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Some of my companions will be taken towards the left side. I will say, they are my companions. They are my companions. It will be said, when you left them, they became reneged, turning on their heels. Then I will say, as the pious bondsman Hazrat Isa, Jesus alayhi salam, said, and I knew of them as long as I remained in them. Then when you took me up, then you were the watcher over them. And everything is present before you. If you punish them, they are your bondmen. If you forgive them, then undoubtedly you are only the dominant, the wise. Surah Ma'idah verse 117. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3349.